Everyone, welcome back to the new video of English speaking classes. I hope you all are well and you are studying hard. Because I have told you yesterday also, without sacrifice, you cannot be successful. You have to sacrifice your friends, parties, going out. You can go for travel to make your mind on a level so that you can brush up your skills also. But you have to sacrifice so many things if you want to become successful. Look at the example of the people, those who are successful in their life, even in the sports, in the business, or in the film industry. I have watching the interview of Mr. Shah Rukh Khan yesterday. He told something in his interview that if you are not watching your dreams from open eyes, you cannot become successful. And if you really want to become successful, you cannot take a rest, because if you take the rest, you can you this will be hard for you to become successful. What he tell in the interview, people love to take a picture with me, a picture with the Shah Rukh Khan, or stand in front of their house. But if you will listen what he's saying right, that without sacrifice you cannot be successful. I don't know that those people, those who go to their house and stand outside, or why they are going just for a picture. Even he is busy in their work and going for out of country, wherever he is going. But he is working and you are wasting your time. But it's all up to you, it is your life. But the person is saying right, that if you will take the rest, you cannot become successful in your life. And if you want to become successful, so you have to work. You have to work on yourself. What he has done, he has worked on himself, on the physique, on the what the actors do, I don't know properly. They work on their dialogue deliveries or the camera. They are camera friendly, so they have done all the things. But if you will see how successful he is right now, so it is a journey. Anyone cannot be successful in just one day, and that is, I'm saying, you cannot become an English speaker in one day. But if you do the continuous practice, you will become successful. When I started swimming, I was not perfect, but when I do regularly, so I become an advanced swimmer. Now I can dive, I can swim, I can do so many swimming strokes. So this is the practice. So again, in the English, if you will do the practice of English speaking, learning vocabulary, you will definitely going to improve. So let's start today's video with some English words. First word for the day is qualify, modify or restrict. You already know the primary meaning of qualify. Here is another meaning. Qualitative, having to do with the quality. If a school achieves a qualitative improvement in the attendance. Querulous, complaining, although a query is question. Quixotic, romantic or idealistic. The word quixotic is derived from the name of Don Quixote. Ramification, a consequence. A tree could be said to ramify. Rancor, bitter. The mutual rancor felt by the two nations eventually led to the war. Rapacious, greedy, plundering. Wall Street investment bankers are often accused of being rapacious. Rebuke, criticize sharply. The judge rebuked the convicted murderer for chopping up so many people. Rebut, contradict. And the meaning for the sentence of this word, they are all thought I was crazy, but none of them could rebut my argument. Why I have told you the example of Mr. Shah Rukh Khan? Because he is successful. And how he becomes successful? Sacrifice. continuous practice, discipline. Only if you have these few things, you can be successful. I have told you the example of yesterday, Khabib. Look at him. He's a humble guy, working hard in a UFC. He has become a 29-0. He has win the 29 fights. Never lose any fight. How? Because he have told without sacrifice you cannot become successful. If you really want to become successful, you want to really achieve, so you have to leave so many things. You have to work on your health, because without health you cannot achieve anything. So come to the topic. Work, work on this vocabulary. Write down these words with meaning and make the sentence and tell me in the comment section. Reading is very very important. You can do and read English newspaper every day. I usually prefer Times of India. If you like, you can also listen English media also. Start listening English media like BBC, CNN. There are lots more English news channels which you can listen, because when you will listen, so you will learn. And finally, speak. Speak with your friends, speak in front of mirror or record your own voice. If you will practice more, you will learn more, you will grow more. And you will open an opportunity for you. Even you want to go for overseas studies or you want to get a job in corporate sector, you need English command. If you have a good command over English, nobody can stop you to become overseas student. So I hope you will like the video of today. It is your life, it is your journey, and I'm here to help you in your career. So I really would like to tell you, see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.